To keep your fresh herbs crisp and usable for up to 3 weeks, treat them like a bouquet of flowers. First, trim the stems at an angle, then remove any leaves that would sit below the waterline. Fill a glass jar halfway with water, place the herbs inside like a bouquet, and loosely cover the top with a plastic bag, securing it with a rubber band around the jar. This creates a mini greenhouse effect while allowing excess moisture to escape. Store in the refrigerator, changing the water every few days when it becomes cloudy. This method works exceptionally well for cilantro, parsley, mint, and basil, though basil should be kept at room temperature instead of the refrigerator. Remember to gently pat the herbs dry before using them in your cooking.